Every week, 6-year-old American boy Sky takes a 1-hour trip to attend the Kung Fu class at a Wushu school in Plano, about 50 miles away from Fort Worth, Texas. Sky and his little brother River's passion for martial arts was inspired by their parents, Angela Saaousedo and David Saaousedo. Now working in the aircraft industry, David started learning Wushu when he was under 12 years old. He went to China for the first time in his early 20s and studied Shaolin Kung Fu in Henan, central China. As an aerial skill coach, Angela is also obsessed with the acrobatic charm of Wushu. The common passion for Wushu led them to meet and start a family.
Angela and I, we met in Hawaii, and she heard of me because she knew a friend that was also my friend. And my friend told her that I had experience with Wushu, and that's a martial art she was interested in. She was really curious about Kung Fu and about, where it came from and everything. So when we met, that's pretty much the first thing that interested her about me. She wanted to know my experience about being in China and everything I've learned.
The acrobatic part of it really impressed me. But there's also the spiritual side, and practicing something like that, having that kind of discipline to obtain such extraordinary skills. I think you have to be very strong, mentally and have a real conviction. So I very much admire the athletes who have done that, and I wanted to be like that.
In 2014, Angela and David attended a Wushu school in East China's Shandong province, where they said the training was very intense, but got them in great shape. Coming back to America, the couple has never stopped on their Wushu journey. Over the years, they participated in a lot of events across the United States, including competing and dragon dancing together. In the backyards of their home, the family has kept daily Wushu practice, following the father's command circulating 1 to 10 in Chinese at a rhythm. The family switched Wushu forms orderly. Angela hoped that someday they could revisit China to train Kung Fu as a family.
When he gets old enough, when he's more disciplined, then we'll go back to China and train as a family.